All right, today we're going to dive into what I honestly think is the single most important skill to have right now: the art and science of AI prompting. Seriously, this isn't just some techie trick. It's the bridge that connects your brilliant ideas to the absolutely incredible power of artificial intelligence. Come on, we've all been there, right? You ask your AI for something amazing, something creative, and what you get back is just blah. It's generic, it's kind of boring, or it just completely misses the point. It's super frustrating. But what if I told you the solution is simpler than you think? See, here's the big secret. The quality of what you get out of an AI is a direct reflection of the quality of what you put in. So the key isn't really about finding a better AI. It's about writing a better prompt. And the best part? That's a skill that literally anyone can learn. Okay, so what in the world are we even talking about when we say prompting? Honestly, the best way to think about it is learning to speak AI. It's like a brand new language, a way to communicate that closes the gap between what you're thinking and what the AI can do. So at its very core, prompting is all about giving the AI really clear, super specific, and context-rich instructions. It's the difference between just vaguely pointing and saying go that way versus handing someone a detailed map with the destination clearly marked. One gets you lost, the other gets you exactly where you want to go. And I love this way of looking at it. This isn't like old school coding where you need to learn Python or C++. Not at all. With prompting, your words, when you choose them carefully, they become the code. You're literally programming this incredible machine with plain English. So, you might be asking, why should I spend my time getting good at this? Well, because mastering prompting isn't just a small tweak to your workflow. It is a complete and total game changer for how you work, create, and think. When you get good at this, you unlock 5 massive advantages. You get incredible precision and control over the output. You save a ridiculous amount of time. It's a huge efficiency multiplier. It can smash through creative blocks, help you get way more value out of the tools you're probably already paying for, and let's be honest, it gives you a serious competitive edge. And this quote just hits the nail on the head. Right now, pretty much anyone can get their hands on powerful AI. But the people who really know how to talk to it, the ones who master prompting, they're the ones who will consistently produce work that is miles ahead of everyone else. That's the quality gap, and you definitely want to be on the right side of it. Let's make this really concrete. Look at this. On the left, write about AI. That's not a prompt. That's a wish. You're going to get a generic, boring essay. But on the right, write a 500-word blog post on AI's impact on small business. Bam. Now the AI has a format, a length, a topic, an audience. The quality of the result is going to be night and day. Okay, but it's not all magic and rainbows. To give you the full picture, we've got to talk about the challenges. Learning to prompt well does come with a few hurdles you need to be aware of before you dive in. So first off, yes, there is a learning curve. It's going to take some practice. And crafting those really great detailed prompts, well, that takes a little more time up front. You'll also notice, especially at the beginning, that results can be a little inconsistent. And that's why it's so important to find the right balance and not become totally over-reliant on the tech. And this is the danger we have to talk about. This is so important. AI should be a partner, a tool that makes you better, not a crutch that you can't function without. If you let it do all the thinking, your own creative and critical thinking muscles can start to get weak. It's all about mindful use. So, how do you actually go from being a total beginner to an expert? It really helps to think about it as a journey along a spectrum. You start by making a vague wish, and you end by designing a detailed blueprint. Check this out. At the basic level, you have the wish, like write about AI. You have almost zero control. Then you move up to the request, which is better. You've got some control. But the goal, the place you want to be, is at the advanced level, the blueprint. Here, you're giving it a role, a format, an audience, constraints. You have maximum control, and you get something that's practically ready to use. So the big question is, how do you get to that blueprint level? Okay, let's break down the core principles and the exact steps you can take, like today. This is where we turn all this theory into actual practice. These 6 principles right here, this is your foundation. First, clarity over cleverness. Just be direct. Number 2, assign it a role. Tell it to act as an expert marketer or a witty comedian. It changes everything. 3, for big tasks, break it down step by step. Guide it. 4, include examples. Show the AI what you mean. It's so powerful. 5,
Add constraints like a word count or a specific tone. Limits actually spark creativity. And finally, number 6, iterate. Your first prompt is rarely your last. Treat it like a conversation, refining as you go.
And when you put it all together, this is the difference it makes. It's the difference between just using AI and truly mastering it. You stop getting generic stuff and start creating custom solutions. You go from just following trends to actually driving innovation. It is the definition of working smarter, not harder.
Feeling ready to start? Perfect. Here's your 4-step plan. 1. Start collecting great prompts you see out in the wild. 2. Practice every single day, even for just 5 minutes, but with a specific goal in mind. 3. Document what works for you. Create your own personal library of killer prompts. And 4. Always be iterating. Tweak and improve your best prompts. That's how you get great.
And that brings us to the final and most exciting idea. An AI, no matter how powerful, is really only as good as the person guiding it. So when you take your unique creativity and you combine it with the AI's incredible capability, skilled prompting is the spark that connects them. It's the formula for unlocking just about anything. So the only real question left is, what are you going to create?